Everybody talks about building a brand.
Brand yourself.
You will always be able to make money if your brand is strong.
Welcome back, everybody. Duane Thompson, your food entrepreneur's mentor, is back again today. I know I've been missing for a while, but believe me, it's going to be worthwhile, and it's going to be an exciting story that I'm going to be looking forward to share with you soon. I can't tell anything just yet. There's some new things happening with my company, and I can't wait to share the details. I know that our videos haven't been uploaded every Tuesday, but we're getting them out to you as soon as we can. Today, we're going to talk about branding. Yep, branding your product. I've been getting a lot of inquiries about branding and exactly what branding is. How do you use it? How do you develop your company's brand? So there's a lot of questions that's happening around brand. So one thing you should know when it comes to branding, a brand or your company's brand is not your product, it's not your logo, and it's not your tagline. So a brand is what your company stands for, what lives in the mind of your customer, and the experience that your brand provides to your customer. That is the three main things that drives a brand for your company. Now I'm going to go into the computer and show you a short PowerPoint presentation on how to develop your brand.
A brand, or branding, refers to the perceived image and subsequent emotional response to a company, its products and services. Identity describes the visual devices used to represent the company. Identity Systems is a visual components package that is paired with style guidelines and is used as a framework to ensure the corporate image is cohesive and consistent. The logo is the central identifiable visual element that helps customers discover, share, and remember a company's brand. It usually takes the form of an icon, mark, or symbol, logotype, or a combination of the two. There are a couple of questions that will help you understand the brand more. How is the brand perceived compared to its competitors in the market? What is the positioning statement of your brand? Who is your audience? What values and beliefs should the brand have about the business? What benefits do you want customers to associate with your brand? Monitoring and rebranding. Regardless, over time, if your target audience shifts, the market evolves, or the brand's products and services change, it may be time for a rebranding. The main challenge with rebranding is trying to maintain familiarity and consistency so that your customers remember you.
All right, that's it for now. Now, please make sure, as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified when new videos come out. As always, I look forward to using this platform to minimizing your learning curve. I've got a storm that I got to go prepare for. I hope you're being safe. And as always, thanks for watching.